the wasteland. We got a 2-truck steel order for tomorrow 1st. So we're gonna find 380 20-footers. That's what we're gonna start off with. 3 5/8. Looks like most of our steel might be right here. So we need 380 pieces of this 3 5/8 20-foot studs. It's gonna be a 2-truck order. As you can tell, there's a lot of steel. We're gonna start staging the steel over here. So that way we got some room to kind of figure out what we're gonna do here. I like to take a majority of the large bunks of steel and try to get them into one truck, and then when we get closer to like the smaller broken bunks, I'll end up taking all of those and kind of building them into their own little truck, so that way you kind of have a visualization of, you know, what the weight's going to be, what the truck's going to be. And I guess that depends on what floor, or if it's going on a floor, if it's all set off. It's a lot of variation, but this one's just a pretty straightforward job. And then we need 1,100 pieces of 6-inch 20-footers. So we got 480 here, 2 more bunks right there, and then this little one up on top gets us our 1,100. I'm sure the camera doesn't do it justice, but it's an absolute blizzard here today. We have wind gusts up to 20, 30 mile an hour, up to 50 at some points today. My face hurts. I can't feel my fingers, but everything's okay. And it doesn't help that yesterday it rained all day. 54 degrees, it got up to 54 degrees and it rained all day. And then at about 11 to about 1 o'clock in the morning, it just absolutely plummeted. Temperature just dropped to freezing. Everything froze, and well, now we're getting all that snow from Canada. So that's great, eh? Thanks. The only fun thing about the snow is you get to do cool, fun stuff. All right, so we got one set up and we're working on the second truck. I need that bunk right there. Yep, that one. Yep, right up. This one. Some 20-footers, some 8-inch 30 mil, some 2.5-inch 20-foot studs, both the studs actually. Some 8-inch track, slotted track, and some U-channel, 16 gauge. And the other thing about this is I still have to add like 60 pieces of drywall to it. So we can figure that out at another time. I'm gonna put a couple of broken bunks together. A broken bunk is basically, instead of a full bunk like what you see here that's already been pre-banded from the vendor, basically got to grab pieces from here and there and there and here and there, basically band them all ourselves. So luckily for this one I need 70 pieces as a 6-inch slotted track right here, and if I can get my fork truck in there, I have to take off 5 pieces, and that's what I need. So luckily I don't have to hand stack the whole thing, and I'm kind of in luck. So don't spill it now. Oh, we gotta hurry this up. I got some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches to eat. Nice and tight. Right. Okay, so the second truck, one side of the truck, other side of the truck. First truck, both sides here. You can see both of those. I still have more to set up. I still got to straighten this up, but this is all ice, so it's almost impossible to get this straightened up without it sliding around. And I still have more to set up, so this 2 truck is about to turn into 3. Maybe, I don't know. Let's find out. Man, that wind is brutal. Oh, don't fall. Don't do that. All right. Okay. Hell yeah. There we go. Sometimes you just gotta do it a couple times. Okay, so it's official. Moffett truck. So that's a big 20-foot tall order for that Moffett truck, and then this section right here, both front and back, is gonna go on that second boom truck, one with the black boom, not the red one. And then this is gonna be probably like a second trip follow-up, mainly because we have to fix an order that went out today. So this is just gonna get situated probably tomorrow afternoon. Not gonna be a first trip on this material. This is it's gonna be a follow-up. So we're gonna get that loaded up, and then yeah, that's the wasteland of the steel yard done and taken care of. Thank you guys for watching. Catch y'all on the flip side.